Hi, this is Lisa Bardot, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial about drawing this cute little orange in Procreate. Today we'll be working with my multi-tonal marker brushes. If this is your first time using these brushes, I would definitely check out my marker brush tutorial. We're also going to be learning a lot about layer masks and how to use them to control the shapes in our drawing. Let's get started. So we're going to start by using just a flat marker brush to draw the shape that we're going for. The color doesn't really matter at this point. We're going to select that layer and then create a new layer and turn that into a layer mask. So now we've got the area that we can start coloring in with the fat filler brush. I like using layer masks because you can maintain the shape of what you're drawing, but still be able to edit the inside, which is like the colors, the textures, and the tones. I'm going to create another layer with the same layer mask. This one's going to be for adding light colors over the top of my dark colors. On another layer, I'm going to add the little stem hole and a stem. I'm using the detail brush to do the stem. It's good for doing fine details, as you can imagine. And then I'm going to add another layer to create the leaf. Again, I'm going to get a flat marker, color doesn't matter, and just create the shape of the leaf. I'm going to select that leaf layer and create a new layer and then turn that into a layer mask. And now I'm selecting a green, kind of playing around with different colors here to get the kind of green that I want. Just changing the saturation, changing the black a little bit, kind of seeing what undertones I can get with this. And then in the layers panel, I'm going to select the layer mask and edit the mask just by erasing away a part of the mask to do half the leaf shape. I'm going to repeat the whole thing and create the same leaf shape layer mask to do the other half of the leaf. This time I'm choosing a green that's a little bit lighter and a little bit more saturated, and a little bit more yellow too. I'm angling the brush strokes in the opposite directions to kind of emulate the veins on the leaf. And then I'm going to lower the opacity just so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better as I edit the layer mask of that leaf so that I can have the two sides of the leaf match up. And I'm going to add just a little detail to the top of the stem. I decided I'm going to add a little orange blossom. So I'm using the brush marker brush, and this kind of emulates more of a brush shape. So you can get those really thick to thins, which is perfect for this flower shape. For the blossom, I've selected a very, very light yellow color. And this is perfect because as I build up strokes on the inside of the flower, it gets a little bit darker, which looks perfect for what I'm wanting to do. Then I'm going to add a little saturation, a little bit of black to that color to draw in the little stamens, I think they're called. And then the final little yellow bit I'm going to do on a new layer because it's kind of a lighter color than the colors underneath it. The last step is I want to add a little bit more shading to this piece, so I'm going to create another layer, put it underneath all of the other layers. I'm going to use the eyedropper to select the background color because when I do that, since the colors come out a little darker than the color that I'm choosing, it's going to be perfect for a shadow. So I'm just going to draw a little shadow in, and then I'm going to add some shading into that mask layer that I did earlier. And there you go, all done. Thank you so much for watching. You can purchase the multi-tonal marker brushes for Procreate on Creative Market or at bardotbrush.com. I would love to see whatever artwork you're creating with them, so if you're posting on Instagram, please tag your work with #BardotBrush. Happy art making! If you like this video, please subscribe for more awesome tutorials and check out one of my other videos. Have a great day!